Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic which we are going to discuss is very important and it is related with 9 chemistry, and obviously all the students which are related with chemistry, maybe first year, second year and O level, they all get benefit from this topic. The topic is relative atomic mass, relative atomic mass or atomic mass unit. So first of all, we are going to define what is relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass of an atom is the average atomic mass of naturally occurring isotopes compared with carbon 12. Now I am going to write relative atomic mass. It is denoted by AR, or we can use small r. Now relative atomic mass, how can we write the definition? The relative atomic mass of an atom, the relative atomic mass of an atom is the average mass of naturally occurring isotopes compared with carbon 12, compared with carbon 12. Here's the definition. The relative atomic mass of an atom is the average mass of naturally occurring isotopes compared with carbon 12. The unit of relative atomic mass is atomic mass unit. The unit of relative atomic mass is atomic mass unit, and with a symbol AMU, and the symbol AMU. And also we can have a quantitative relationship between AMU and grams. One atomic mass unit, 1 AMU, will be equals to 1.66 exponent minus 24 grams. 1 AMU will be equals to 1.66 exponent minus 24 grams. It is the quantitative relationship between atomic mass unit and grams. Now we have a formula. How can we calculate a relative atomic mass represented by AR? AR is a relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is the ratio between average mass of an atom of one atom of the element. Average atomic mass of one atom of the element to the 112 times of the mass of one atom of carbon. The mass of one atom of carbon 12. It means that by using this formula we can easily calculate a relative atomic mass of one atom in an element. So I just repeat it. What is the relative atomic mass? The relative atomic mass of an atom is the average mass of naturally occurring isotopes compared with carbon 12, and the unit of relative atomic mass is AMU with symbol AR. Okay. And AMU is the unit of relative atomic mass. 1 AMU will be equals to exponent minus 24 grams, and the quantitative relationship between relative atomic mass is, it is the ratio between average mass of one atom of the element to the 1/12 times of the mass of one atom of carbon-12. Hope you can easily understand the definition, mathematical relationship and the formula of a relative atomic mass. If you have any kind of ambiguity for the understanding of this topic, so you can ask or directly comment. Till then, अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़. फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.